Hey guys, Tony here. How you doing? Sorry I've been a little MIA. I actually had all of my memory for my phone was completely full, and I just moved everything to a drive, so I can start making videos again. But futures are up, which is super weird. Well, not super weird. There wasn't actually any bad news this weekend, which was actually really good. But there is a gap that the SPY has to fill. Um, right here between 400 and between what 465 463. So I would not be surprised to see futures go up to like 460. There you go, 460 4634. There's probably going to be a gap at 4635, somewhere around there. So if you do manage to close the gap and keep running up, then I think the SPY is going to keep running. But I still think there might be more bad news. So there is a chance that once that gap fills, you might actually dip all the way back down once that gap gets filled. Keep in mind, right? You still need this gap to get filled. You did break trend, and there's a big chance you can drop to 454. But as of right now, futures are green. Futures are 100% green. Would not be surprised if it's running up to close that gap and then possibly go back down. But we have to wait to see how tomorrow actually closes. That's what's really, really important. If tomorrow actually gets that gap filled and you end up closing it and you keep, even after hours, you keep running up, that's a really good sign that you're going to keep moving to the upside on the S&P 500. But if you actually end up closing the gap and there's resistance there at that gap close at the 4635 level, 465 level on the SPY, then there's a big chance you're actually going to see a complete reversal and you're going to head down to 454 on that level. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.